This model kit review is of the Corvette C8 Coupe, and this is a 1/25th scale model by Revell, and I believe this is going to be the base model, not the sports package. Let's see here, no other details. Here's some pictures of the finished model, very nice looking. And the colors, little details there. Let's have a look inside. Well, this all comes together. It's interesting. So let's open it up. Well, everything's double wrapped. Hopefully you're less likely to lose some parts then. So here we'll start off with the body. It is very nicely molded. We've got some recessed panel lines for the body panels. We've got the engine bay here. Looks like the top here has been removed, and you have to add that separately. Here we've got looks like lights. I don't see any chrome parts, so these are going to have to be painted. There's our rear lights there, and front headlights. Looks like exhaust tips there. So they probably all should have been chrome. Here are our tires, very thin tires, made out of vinyl. It looks like here is our roof. There's the roof there, and that's going to be for the back rear glass window. Okay, we've got seats. We'll look for the backs of the seats there. Got this little blip here. I don't know if that's for controls or something. Maybe seat belts, not sure. It is on both of them. We've got our rear spoiler. There's the rear deck lid, engine cover, and that's the part of the roof there. Got engine parts here. We've got a lot of parts here. Here is the glass, and that's actually very nicely molded, very clean, and you can see there's no distortions. Some headlights, some rear light glass there, brake light side glass. Here's the engine cover. We've got a lot of sprues, I will say that. Here is the dashboard, and that's for a right-hand drive. More engine parts, grills, vents. Here's our steering wheel there, and look at the vents there. It's very nicely molded. Here we've got windshield wipers, so it looks like they will offer left-hand and right-hand drive, because you'll pick which side it goes to. And it looks like maybe a front spoiler or splitter. That's probably something like that at the bottom. And axles. There's the splitter at the bottom. We've got our side mirrors and some exhausts and tubing. Here's the left-hand drive with more engine parts, with the radiators on the side. But some good level of detail here. Here are the wheels. Those are beautiful. Okay, here is the cabin. There's the backs, the seat backs right there. We've got the engine and transaxle. It's transaxle because it's a mid-engine car. And we've got the steering rack there. Here is the rear bumper and the door cards. Some very nice details. And looks like our central consoles, left and right hand drive. This is for the left hand drive because the driver will sit here and has access to all the controls. That's for the right hand drive. Got disc brakes there, body panels, ducts and so on, A-arms, license plates. Okay, and then we've got our chassis, the floor pan with built-in our suspension parts. We've got wheel wells. Some very nice details here. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions and decals. So here are the decals. Those are very nice decals. Lots of options for license plates. Here are the instructions. It says you should wash these parts. Just get rid of the mold release agent. Here are the colors needed, and there are quite a lot of colors needed. Here's the parts listing, and it looks like, as far as I can tell, that all of the parts are going to be used. Start off with the engine here. And lots of different parts to this engine. There's our front axle with steering rack on there. Start to put the suspension and wheel wells together on the chassis. And there's the wheel hubs. Mount the engine. And that's the rear axle going on. Those are our air intakes, the ducts, radiators mounted. Okay, there's the, that's the, I don't know what that is. Air intakes there, I guess. Here are the seats. And we start to build the cabin. Put our dashboard on, left hand or right hand drive, depending on which one you're going to do. There's the door handles with the door cards. Okay, so that's the air, that's the water collection underneath the windshield wiper. That's what that part is. And then it shows you which how to put the rest of the cabin together. Here's how to paint the model, and here they're telling you to paint it red. I guess you could paint it any color, but any color that's K is going to be red, or whatever other color you decide. And to put all the glass on there. We mount the cabin inside the body, and then on the chassis we've got our rear lights and rear bumper going on there. And we're mounting that, and then we start to work on the front with our license plates and grills. Here's the rear glass, front glass, and side glass. And then the body features such as the side mirrors and trim pieces, roof, and so on. Wheels going on. And then there is our air intake cover, engine cover, and those are the paint and decal guide. That is a very nice looking model kit, and lots of detail, and it looks like a high quality kit.